Welcome friends, welcome back to my another Clean Planet walk. How are you all my dear friends? I hope all are well and I am also good, and you know I am Islam from Tangail district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Friday, 14 October 2022. Now afternoon time, this Friday afternoon I am visiting our village banana orchard area, banana orchard and green paddy field, beautiful natural place. Friends, this afternoon I visiting this place, I walking here and I saw here some polluted garbage. So now I collect the polluted garbage from here and throw them in the dustbin of village. So friends, let's go, cleaning mission is start now, just action. Friends, really very beautiful natural place of village. Friends, I saw here one plastic, old plastic. So now I collect this old plastic from here. Friends, this plastic is really very bad for our nature. Plastic bottle here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম, দেখেন। Polluted product. Friends, another plastic is stuck in with different area soil, very dirty old plastic. Friends, this garbage, this plastic product is really very bad for our natural place, green nature, agricultural land, soils, fruit orchard. So sometimes I visiting natural place, visiting green place, and try to remove polluted garbage and plastic from the natural place. Friends, now I collected this very old and polluted plastic from our village natural place, banana orchard at paddy field area. Friends, now this garbage threw in a dustbin of village. Let's go, friends.